Well, we got the Fireblade here. This is not our bike, this is FastLaneD's bike, and if you watched the last episode, we did install some sort of an exhaust on this. It was the Kropovich headers with the SC Project slip-on. All the online manuals and all the online pages say you can't put this exhaust and that slip-on a 2025. Well, we did it, it's working, but there's a slight thing that we got to do. The rear sets, I'll show you in a little bit, that they're kind of a little bit in the way. We kind of did stuff to make sure that it could be ridden right now, but we're going to fix that with some Gilles Tooling rear sets that we have here. And also, we're not just going to install rear sets, we have some carbon fiber, and they are satin carbon fiber, so you got to let us know if you like this carbon on this bike. I have a very good reason to let you know why we went with satin and not gloss. I also want to take a minute to remind you guys, all the products that you see on today's video is in the link in the description below, because we sell motorcycle parts, and without selling the parts, these videos won't exist. But I think enough talking, more working. Let's lift this thing up, work on the rear sets, and then we'll throw some carbon on it.
I can't wait to get mine.
So this is consumer advice. If you have a 2025 CBR1000RR-R and you're trying to put these exhaust systems, it does fit, as you can see, but this piece here, this touches your exhaust bracket right here, so you're going to need some rear sets. And that's what we're trying over here. We're trying to figure out what rear sets fit. And once we know, you're going to know as well. These are called the Mewtwo rear sets, and then they have their FXR lineup.
That's cool. It's like something you see in geometry.
Yeah.
See that? You too. I haven't seen that letter or symbol in years.
I know you guys are doubting it, but yeah, get his reaction. Bring the bucket before he pukes. I think it looks good.
I mean, it definitely looks good.
Because it still has blue and it has carbon, right?
Yeah. I think if you wrapped it and added a little blue somehow,
of course,
I think it would be perfect.
I believe it, yes.
Because the blue is my favorite color on the bike, to be honest with you.
It's still a CBR.
Yeah.
But with carbon, especially with carbon like this, it means business now. It's a business CBR.
But what I'm worried about is it's going to make the bike look thinner. Because it's black instead of blue, like it's not going to be as, like, it doesn't pop as much. And I'm so big that I already make bikes look tiny.
I think this actually pops up more because it's, don't look at it inside, we gotta put it in the sun.
Okay.
Because this is carbon, now it gives that contrast to the bike.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, if we look at it from the side, it looked like that was your complaint, that the wings don't look big enough.
Yeah, no, they look small, yeah. Because I'm like somewhat wide dude.
Let's put them on.
I love it. OEM Aftermarket. That's gonna look way more aggressive and sick. Like I said, the satin's just very classy. It's like a if you know you know type thing.
All right, our rear sets are on. And I want to show you the adjustment for the Gilles Tooling rear sets. We already have this bolt loosened. So now, when this is loose, you could go front and back, you see? And you have these slots. This is 1, 2, 3. So it has dedicated slots. And then also this cam positions here, you could turn this. We don't have it as loose as possible right now because we're trying to just put our carbon fiber heel guard on, but you have an adjustment here, and trust me, there's a little line here that you could see if it's at 1, -1, +2, and every one of these Gilles Tooling rear sets that has this adjustment, it has some sort of a paperwork that I'll show you where to set it for what position. So something very cool and very different in terms of rear sets. Go, ready? Well, Nicholas worked his magic, guys. Take a look at this. And wait till you see it on the bike. But before that, we're gonna head over to Nicholas's shop because he's got the other one and is waiting to see our reaction about this. I love it. Not that if this was a solid color, this is perfect.
That's impressive. I mean, that was like a few minutes. And it looks like flawless. It looks beautiful.
Wait till you see it on the bike.
Heck yes. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Alright, we're gonna go put this on the bike.
Okay.
Yeah, we're back at the shop, guys. And I beat everybody here because I want to put all this stuff together. I'm pretty excited to see how it looks. And I think FastLane's gonna be happy because he was questioning our choice of carbon fiber.
Yeah, I like the blue. I really do. I love the blue on the OEM winglets, but
yeah, this matches.
Yeah,
so
this
good.
is perfect. Yeah, this is a good way to kind of blend everything together and add that touch of class. So
yeah. Nicholas saved the day.
He did.
Or he wasn't coming back.
No, I was definitely coming back.
Here.
He's going with dope custom. I like stripe here.
These are a game changer. Like this is worth the money. It'll save you so much time and headache when you're adjusting your chain with going back and forth like this and looking at it. Literally just pull it off, click, click, tighten it up like 2 or 3 clicks on each side and bolt it right back up. 100% one of my favorite things to put on any bike. And I'm not just saying that because we're here. Like I've paid full price for plenty of these on my bikes. My R1s still have them. Ducati obviously single-sided, so H2 single-sided. BMW has a really nice system, so I don't really need to upgrade that. What are the biking missing? That's it.
Your R9's gonna have it. And I saw that because it's tapering in here. I had no idea. Finished it, guys. It's ready. Take a look at it. So no one was a believer when we started. Everybody in this room, every young person in this room was questioning the fact that we're using satin carbon fiber. And again, this does no justice. We're indoors. The lighting's not the best. It's good for filming, but the sunlight is the best thing on carbon if you ask me. But when you look at this area of the bike, everything from here, the sprocket cover, the frame cover, the swing arm cover, your rear hugger is carbon. We got a little bit of a gloss, but matching weaves, right? Twill on twill. And I think all the jewelry on the bike is shining. Because I like to talk about these being jewelry pieces and stuff like this. It's all the little details. I think also that I was giving you guys earlier in the video, I said I'm going to tell you guys the reason why we went for satin. This color, this paint scheme, is so nice, and it's hard to choose the finishes of the bike. We have 1, 2, 3 Ducatis here, not this one. This one is all gloss. But if you look at a Ducati's paint job, especially if you go to one of FastLane's meets, take a look at this bike when it's clean and wiped off, free of all these fingerprints we put on it today. The paint job on it is so nice that I think it deserves to be the front face of the motorcycle. If they put gloss carbon, I think it would have popped too much and it would have kind of got a loss. Now you see the carbon. Because if you look at a Supreme bike, that's a prime example. This bike has a paint job, actually it's nicer finish than a regular Ducati. All of this is carbon, but until I tell you guys it's carbon, your eyes don't get drawn to it. But on this bike, I think you could tell because it's not, you could tell it's not metal or it's not plastic. So I love it, and then Nicholas really did it. This looks so good.
Yeah, I agree.
And I gotta give it to you guys for that. So you guys doubted the carbon so much that we said, what do we do? And we put a little bit of that. That's a magic glue. So Nicholas from Auto Laboratory Yeah, those are the guys. And if I were to grab your camera and show Brian, because Brian was in the morning before you guys showed up. No, you guys weren't even here.
Oh, really?
I was taking the carbon out.
Yeah,
He's looking at me. He's like.
That's hilarious.
So it's looking good. There's going to be more carbon on your bike.
Yeah, it's good to just tie everything together. It's going to look so good.
So that's me being the salesman.
Yeah.
Because all the products that you see on here is in a link in the description below for you guys to purchase for your CBR1000RR and also a bunch of other bikes, guys. Yeah. But what's your take?
The Satin carbon, no, the Satin, I was doubting. Like, he sent me pictures and I was like, you can ask them. I was like, hey, yo. I talked a lot of crap in the past about Satin carbon, and then I thought it was the plain weave. It's actually a twill. It's just a little bit smaller. Yeah. But once you see it in person, it looks really good. And yeah, all my other bikes have gloss. This is just like a subtle like touch. It's not too flashy, not in your face. And like I said, it lets the paint job kind of do its thing. So I got to give Manny his props. I always said no one under the age of 40 would like the Satin carbon, but I'm gonna retract that statement now and say it looks good.
Well, if you're under the age of 40 and can afford this bike, props to you, right?
There we go.
So
that's very true.
That's the one thing, but also the story is not like that. I didn't tell you guys a true story.
Oh God.
I texted him in the picture. I was so excited that I got it out because remember I was telling you that I think these are covers.
Yeah.
But they're not covers. They're full wings. I sent him the picture. And the reply was it wasn't exactly this, but I was like, what do you think? And then,
no, I was just trying to get his advice. He sent me a picture without any context. So I'm like, I don't know.
But I replied, and I got no responses back. So I was like, okay, I guess we can get the gloss ones.
I didn't know what to say at the time. I was just like, he's really excited about this, and I am not. But once we got here and saw it, I'm seeing it in person. I gotta give you props. That looks good. That looks good.
At least you didn't send the puke emoji.
No, I'm always down to try something before I like cast my full judgment. So
a little bit at a time.
Yeah, that's a good call.
That's why you've been showing up every second week. So we're just little at a time. But the rear sets are cool. I want to give a shout out to Mr. Ghillies himself, but also Ralph from Gilles Tooling. I was just actually with them this past weekend, and the stuff they do is truly, I think it's beautiful. Nobody else makes it. It's a rear set after all, but it's a very good looking. Would I put Ghillies on everything I own? Probably not. I want some change right here and there. But I mean, it just looks so good.
No, it looks sick. Yeah, look, the machining, everything on it looks really good, and all the details. So
I think this color here, I actually like this gray color here. But I think that's pretty much it, guys. And thank this gentleman here for making sure that we have some non-Ducati content.
I got you guys.
And of course, this crew as well, Vic and Mako right behind you.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. I know you guys going for a long haul and come down and see us. It's always a pleasure. But
man.
if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. But what were you gonna say?
No, I said it's worth it every time. So no problem doing that.
Yeah, we gotta step up the bar. We gotta bring more of your bikes in here.
Let's do it. Absolutely. I'm down to do it. We'll get the Motomillion touch on all of them. Like I said, you see that sticker on the bike, you know you're coming correct.
Since we're looking there and we haven't ended the video, I want to point something out. So the Brembo Stylema R's are these ones that has the lines here. If the Stylema doesn't have these lines, it's not the R's.
Really?
And the only bike that has had the R that I know of is your SB2. Because we had an SB2 as well. The only difference is that the pistons, if you take a look at it, they're drilled.
Oh shit, yeah, I did not notice
drilled
that.
them for weight.
Sorry, yeah. Dang.
So they make holes for weight, but also extra airflow to cool the pistons down. Dang. So they're like the true performance.
Yeah, Honda gang, baby. Enough of the Ducati stuff, all right? But I got y'all.
This is what I mean by these companies don't do enough marketing too. I had no idea, and I love this bike, so.
Yeah.
But that's pretty much it for this episode, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.
Peace.
There you go.